How to make your TikTok account public. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial where we will guide you on how to make your TikTok account public. Making your TikTok account public is a straightforward process. Follow these steps. Launch the TikTok app on your mobile device. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the three dots or three lines. In the top right corner, to access the settings menu, select privacy from the settings options. Find the option that says private account and toggle it off. When the toggle is off, your account is public. With a public account, anyone on TikTok can see your videos, follow you, and interact with your content. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload. See you in the next one.